Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zoho CRM for sales pipeline tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To download Zoho CRM for sales pipeline tracking, open your web browser. Visit the official Zoho website at www.zoho.com. Navigate to the Zoho CRM section on the homepage. Click on the Sign Up for Free button. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. Select the appropriate region for your business. Next, choose a plan that suits your needs. Scroll down to see the free trial option if you want to start without commitment. Once you've selected your plan, click on Start Free Trial. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open that email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Zoho CRM website to log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, complete your profile setup by entering your business details. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard upon your first visit. To access the sales pipeline tracking features, navigate to the Deals tab. Here, you can create your first deal by clicking on the Add Deal button. Fill in the necessary information like deal name, stage, and expected closing date. As you create deals, you'll see them populate in your sales pipeline view. Customize your pipeline stages according to your sales process preferences. Utilize the various tools and integrations available within Zoho CRM to enhance your tracking experience. Explore additional features like reports and analytics for better insights into your sales performance. Regularly update your deals and stages to keep your pipeline accurate and effective. Check back frequently to manage your leads and follow up efficiently. That concludes the steps to download and set up Zoho CRM for your sales pipeline tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.